Hello, dear listener. Welcome to English Podcast Every Day. This is your quiet corner of the world, a space to breathe deeply, to reconnect with your heart, and to grow gently in both English and self-love. Every episode is more than just English practice. It's a moment of mindfulness, of healing, of remembering what matters. Today, I invite you to sit softly with this thought. Leave your past behind. Let's take a gentle journey together. Take a slow breath in and a long breath out. And let's begin. We all have a past. Some of it holds beauty, some of it pain. And sometimes the heaviest part of our day isn't the work ahead. It's the weight of the stories we carry behind us. Memories, mistakes, words we wish we didn't say, people we wish had stayed, versions of ourselves we wish we could forget. For years, I believed that I was my past, that my failures defined me, that if someone hurt me, I had to carry that hurt forever. But healing began when I asked myself, what if I'm allowed to begin again? What if my past is a teacher, not a prison? The truth is, you are not the same person you were 1 year ago. Not even the same as yesterday. And that's something beautiful. That means you're growing. So why do we keep punishing ourselves for the mistakes of someone we used to be? Imagine holding a glass of water. At first, it feels light, but hold it for hours and your arm starts to bake. It's not the weight, it's the holding that causes pain. Your past is like that. The pain lingers not because of what happened, but because we never set it down. So today, I invite you to place it gently on the ground. You don't need to carry it anymore. Forgiveness is not forgetting. It's remembering without anger. It's choosing peace instead of replaying the hurt. You may say, but they never said sorry, or I made such a big mistake. Yes, I know. But listen softly now. You deserve peace. Even if they don't apologize. Even if you're still learning how to forgive yourself. The moment you say, I choose to stop reliving the pain, you take your power back. The past helped shape you, but it doesn't have to define you. You are not broken. You are not too late. You are healing. You can close the door without slamming it. You can let go with love, not anger. You can grieve what didn't work and still walk forward with hope. Some people won't understand your healing. That's okay. You're not healing for them. You're healing for you. And maybe, just maybe, you leaving your past behind gives someone else the courage to do the same. Now, place your hand over your heart. Close your eyes if it feels safe, and breathe. Whisper this softly. I release the past. I forgive myself. I welcome peace. Again, I release the past. I forgive myself. I welcome peace. Let that sink in. Let it soften something inside you. You are not your past. You are the gentle strength that rose from it. If this message spoke to your heart, follow English Podcast Every Day for more stories of stillness, growth, and gentle healing. Share this episode with someone you love, someone who might need a little reminder that it's okay to begin again. And in the comments, tell me softly, what are you ready to leave behind? You're not alone. You're not broken. You're on your way home to yourself. Thank you for listening. And thank you for being here. Thank you for being here. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being here. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening to English Podcast Every Day. This is where you can grow in English and in self-love. Grow, grow, grow. Change is possible. Healing is possible.